How to turn off two-step verification on PayPal. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now, let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open your preferred browser and in the search bar, search for paypal.com. You will be led to the official web page of PayPal. Make sure you are signed in and now tap on the settings option you see there on the top right corner of your screen and further tap on the security option. Here, you will see the two-step verification tab. Tap on the update option you see there and in the interface that you will be led to, you will see the turn off option. Tap on that and further tap on the turn it off button, and with this two-step verification will be disabled. So this is how you can turn off two-step verification on PayPal. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.